arpeggios in E minor, sparse and echoing, resonate across vast empty spaces. Reverb heavy with subtle wind drones beneath. Each note lingers, decaying into silence. A single high harmonic flickers, like ice catching light. No rhythm, only the breath of the wind. Melody unfolds slowly, a descending phrase repeated with slight, borrowed chord tones from C major, create a fragile hope. Left hand plucks root fifth intervals widely spaced. A faint shimmer enters, crystal singing bowls barely audible. Wind like granular texture swirl in stereo background. Tempo remains free, but tension builds through dissonant suspensions. A minor ninth interval hangs unresolved. The harp's melody rises, then falters. Low sub-bass tone enters, felt more than heard. A subtle shift in harmony, full diminished. Fuller harp voice sings now, open E minor 11th chords. Melody soars in upper register, then collapses inward. Each phrase answered by its echo, delayed and frost muted. A soft choir pad emerges, no words, only breath like vowels. Wind intensifies, carrying fragments of forgotten song. Returns to sparser texture, but with added layers. Thin cella sustains beneath the harp, playing harmonic drones. Occasional plucked one-notes like footsteps in snow. Water theme subtly altered, more resigned now. High wind chimes made of frozen icicles. Same harmonic structure, but slower. Each chord given more space to decay. Choir pad swells slightly, a wisp of remembrance. A single ghostly harp harmonic, glissando upwards. The world feels stiller, more distant. Key shifts to B minor, darker, colder. Harp plays repeating ostinato, almost mechanical in grief. Granular wind loops morph into subtle rig pulses. A faint Gaelic hum enters, wordless from far below. Melody fractures into single tones, then silence returns to E minor, but harmony now clouded with suspended force. Harp melody simplified, almost a child's tune lost. Cello returns, playing a counter melody of regret. Each phrase ends with a downward glissando, like a tear freezing. Final chorus and expansive, all elements combine. Harp, choir, cello, wind chimes, but still restrained. No triumph, only solemn acceptance. The last chord, E minor at 9, sustains and fades over 40. harp stops, only wind remains. Faint resonance of the last note echoing through stone. A single harp string vibrates spontaneously, struck by the wind. Then silence absolute, final. Heart complete jazz in E minor, sparse and echoing, resonate across vast empty spaces. Reverb heavy with subtle wind drones beneath. Each note lingers, decaying into silence. A single high harmonic flickers, like ice catching light. No rhythm, only the breath of the wall. Heart complete jazz in E minor, sparse and echoing, resonate across vast empty spaces. Reverb heavy with subtle wind drones beneath. Each note lingers, decaying into silence. A single high harmonic flickers, like ice catching light. No rhythm, only the breath of the world.